Hey, if you're looking to be near downtown Royal Oak with a monthly payment around $3,000 a month and own this home, check out this video. All right, welcome back to the channel. So today we're checking out this beautiful ranch. It's about 1,250 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. It's got a finished basement and it is listed right at $500,000. Check this out. So this is what I was referring to, meaning if you were to buy this home right now, and you put 20% down, calculating about $6,000 a year, give or take, for taxes. Might be shooting it high a little bit there. Maybe $2,000 a year for your homeowner insurance. Your monthly payment at today's interest rate, around a 6%, is right about $3,000. So definitely can be pretty affordable for somebody looking to purchase, and it's gonna be right about the $500,000 mark. And we'll be walking distance to Royal Oak. Just doing a quick walk through here. So this house was completely redone. See big beautiful windows here. Nice breakfast nook area here. Kitchen. Nice cabinet, soft close, stainless steel appliance. I do like the backsplash there. Very pretty flooring. And I do like this color on this. This is the natural hardwood as well. Looks really good. Got the French doors. We'll get outside after this, check out the backyard. Into your half bath powder room here. Back through to one of the rooms here. Can be used as an office or more of a flex, but of course it is technically a bedroom. I do like these closets. Nice storage design. Good utility. Into one of the larger bedrooms here. Could definitely be used as a primary, and same thing. Nice closet design here. Looks like we just need to put a shelf up and you get the picture. And headed to full bath. Hey, and if you're enjoying this content so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also drop a comment if there's any cities you're interested in seeing or any types of homes you'd like to see on the channel. Got a linen closet here. Good storage in this house. The attic fan. You like these accessories also. Into another good sized room. Good windows, great closets in here. Same thing. Nice shelves and organizers. Good light. It's like the style of these doors. What are your thoughts compared to the traditional bifold? Drop a comment below, let me know. More look through here. Let's actually head down to the basement. There is a full bath down there as well. I do like these also. Nice use of the space, good storage. Head down here. Not a bad ceiling height. Nicely finished, very clean. Pretty good shower for the basement. Beautiful bath. Did a good job. A lot of good space. A lot of options here. It's that main room we walked in from. Here is the stairs. Now here's your utilities. Some good storage. Extra material there, and your washer and dryer, as well as a little more storage here under the stairs. Could potentially put something here and close this off, or just leave it open. I guess it might be a little tight with the staircase right there, but if you wanted to separate, you definitely could. You have options here. Yeah, did a good job. Let's go check out the outside backyard and garage area. All right, we're headed outside now to the backyard. Love all the new concrete. Nice wide driveway here. Easy access for this big 2-car garage. Should give you an idea there. Good size yard. So this is a 0.43 acre lot, so big property as well. I always like the idea of burying these cable lines one day. A shed back there also. It's like the AC is a little older. Might have to budget for that potentially. Roof looks solid, and one thing I forgot to mention on the inside, you're definitely going to want some window treatments there. Yep, pretty good 2-size. 2-car standard insulated door. Nice garage. Close that for them. Let's see, you got a little space in here in between. Yeah, that's fenced off. Looks like all of it's fenced off except right here. If you want to put some sort of gate. Let me know what your thoughts are here as well. Like I said, this is listed right at $500,000. Payment should be right about $3,000 a month.